Your fingers tracing lines on my skin. In your eyes I see a world I'm falling in. Your touch is like a fire within.